Hi guys, today we're going to be popping open all these slime balls and needles and actual slime into this bucket. And we're going to try to make one giant slime. We also have activator to make it more slimy like if it's not that slimy.
And by the way, all of these needle slime stuff are dirty, as you can see.
Super dirty
If
and
not,
old.
if not, it's not really slime. Like this one, it's not really slime. It's just so stiff.
So we're going to take everything out of the bucket and we'll be right back.
Here's everything out of the container. There are tons of stuff here. This is gonna make a fun slime at the end. Let's start opening.
I'm scared. That's not even opening. Oh my god.
This is really messy, then.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my god.
There's a light. Wow, it's shaking. Yeah. my goodness, it's a lot. It's so liquidy too.
Everything feels so weird. Now we're gonna mix everything up. First, we're gonna mix everything up and see if we need the activator.
Oh my goodness.
This looks so disgusting. Everything's all watery.
I'm pretty sure about the activator.
I do not expect this to turn into actual slime without activator. Look at my size, so pink. See, also pink. I see the Z name.
I like the color.
That's really what's over here? That's so
It's
hard.
like hard slime.
Yeah, stuff in
Okay,
it.
let's see if we have some glue and then some activator.
The glue's so pretty.
Okay, that's all I could get right now.
Now I'm gonna add the activator.
Okay, let's see if that works. Oh, where does it?
My spoon!
Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it's working. It's working.
Okay. This will be the. It's like
Pink robot. Pictures over here. It's too liquidy. I think we have to start using our
yeah.
hands. See, it's just different. Oh my god, it feels so weird.
Yeah. We just put the slime. Everything's so weird because it's old, so most of the stuff got separated with water.
I think we need a little more activator. I don't have enough. It's too watery.
If this actually does turn slime, so pretty disgusting.
It's coming along good.
We only had like 2 bottles of activator.
I think we're gonna need another bottle. I only have this one.
What? Look at this side, look on my side. It looks like bubble gum, a big chip. Look at the part slime.
I didn't even get mixed in yet.
Separated. Hold it.
Don't look like getting mixed in. Just gonna separate.
It's disgusting. And the screw slime. I think it's from that, you know, that kitchen program. This feels disgusting. Into green slime. Oh my goodness.
Some stuff is not getting mixed.
Last
Still getting all nice and slimy.
Maybe there's a little bit less like slime stuff. It looks like I'm feeling. Look at this purple slime. I can mix it up. Oh. Oh, it's disgusting. So much needed. It got better, but this feels so soft, and it looks way better than camera. It's more pink and vibrant.
So I think this was a success. Turning all our slime, old slime balls into slime. One big giant slime.
It may look ugly, but it feels very soft. Something in here made it very soft. Probably the needles.
And it's not really sticky. It is slimy though.
It looks like bubblegum.
Yeah, it does.
Put the DNA ball over here.
Okay, so that's the end of the video.
See you guys next time. Bye.